You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 16th of April. This is James Spann. Very nice, calm, warm weather across Alabama today. Some rain over the weekend, maybe a few showers around tomorrow and Friday. But again, we just don't see any big high impact events for the next 7 to 10 days. But many questions about the weekend. So the new data is in. Take a look at it together. First off, this is the upper air look across the country. Got the big trough in the western states beginning to lift out. But again, for us, we're in great shape. Underneath a ridge, we have a partly sunny sky across the state. A little bit hazy today. It looks a little bit like summertime. Feels a little bit like summer. We'll check the radar. No rain around here. We got a few showers over Arkansas, Louisiana, West Tennessee, but even there, not that many. Going a little early today, these observations taken about 1:30. At that point, we had upper 70s and low 80s in most spots. Huntsville 81, Mobile 81, upper 70s elsewhere. And again, most spots will top out in the low 80s today. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. We have tornado watches in effect for much of Iowa, parts of Illinois, northern Missouri. Wind advisories around that tornado watch because of that deep surface low in that region. Have an enhanced risk of severe storms through tonight over parts of Iowa and some of the adjacent states. The broader risk running from Arkansas up into the southern Great Lakes over into the Ohio Valley. This is tomorrow. Got a risk of severe storms over parts of Ohio, Indiana, Michigan. And yeah, we see the marginal risk extending into North Alabama, but really we just don't expect any severe weather problems. The main dynamic support weakening and passing far north of here. And then on day 3, which is Thursday, a risk of severe storms, parts of Arkansas back up to near Paducah and Evansville. But again, we think Thursday here will be dry. We'll probably see some showers in here by Thursday night, but we're just not concerned about severe storms this week and probably next week as well, thankfully. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. For the northern half of the state, rain amounts about 1/2 to 1 inch, under 1/2 inch to the south. So model fans, let's take it day by day. This is the GFS, the 12Z run. This is valid tomorrow at 4. The trough that was over the Rockies, weakening and lifting out over the Great Lakes. The surface low is weakening near Green Bay, Wisconsin. And again, there's a trailing front, and that might kick off a few scattered showers tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Maybe a thunderstorm, but again, with the main dynamics weakening and passing so far north, don't expect any severe weather problems. Otherwise, a mostly cloudy day. Upper 70s for North Alabama, low 80s for the southern counties of the state. This is Thursday. We're warm and dry. This should be the warmest day of the week. Mid-80s are likely. There might be a couple of spots in the upper 80s. And then on Friday, another weak front tries to move in here, and that could kick off a shower somewhere, especially for the northern half of the state, but certainly not a big rain day. Now, for the weekend, hey, the GFS is trending a little drier here. This is Saturday. We'll start to cool down. The high will be in the 70s. And Sunday, really just not much. Sunday would be fairly cool. In fact, the National Blend of Models suggesting there might be some spots up in the Tennessee Valley holding in the 50s all day. That'll be a big change. But wait now. The European says not so fast. Okay, this is the European look on Sunday, which is what we've been seeing, and that's the consistent idea here. So again, the GFS trending drier, but the European in line with the ongoing forecast. And we're not going to change the forecast for Saturday and Sunday. We'll have a chance of some rain at times both days, but like we've talked about, not a washout. We don't expect any severe storms, probably not much thunder. In fact, I don't think we'll have any thunder on Sunday with that cool air coming in. So just be aware that if you got something planned outdoors, and this goes for Talladega, there certainly could be some delays because of rain for the races on Saturday and the Geico 500 on Sunday. But I think there's a decent chance they get the rain in, and we have an amber alert. We're live at 2:23. And this is Caden Perryman, a 5-year-old black male abducted. The abductor is believed to be 13-year-old Janziah Gunn, driving a white 2011 Chevrolet Equinox. Last seen near Gibbs Village in Montgomery. So again, a lot of you that are watching this live, your phones and watches went off at the same time. I'll post the images up on the social platforms here shortly. But again, for a Sunday, cloudy, some rain at times, very cool. Highs in the 60s for most of the state. Monday, that wave is on by. We're dry. The high Monday in the low 70s, and this is a week from today. Tuesday, April 23rd, we have a northwest flow aloft and still in a dry air mass. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, April 26th. Again, we've got a northwest flow aloft here, evidence of a few showers around. But again, nothing really heavy. And so we just don't see any big high-impact flooding, severe weather type event for the next 10 days around here for now, which is pretty remarkable considering the fact that this is mid-April. We all know what can happen here this time of the year. Rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean a little over 2 inches between now and the 1st of May. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. 78 tomorrow, 85 Thursday. But notice the weekend cool down. 74 Saturday, 62 for the high on Sunday. That'll be a huge change. And 40s likely Monday and Tuesday morning of next week, but then we bounce back with low 80s by the latter half of next week. And our friends at the CPC, they've got some website problems. They've been down for about 24 hours, the Climate Prediction Center. So this is coming off Pivotal Weather, which is another great source. This is the latest 8 to 14-day guidance I have here. This is for April 23rd through April 29th. And you see all the orange and red on that map. That means temperatures will likely be above average. All right, so tomorrow going to be in Alabaster, Westwood Baptist, their ELC, Early Learning Center. Thursday, we've got Ranburne High School in Cleburne County, and then Chelsea Park Elementary in Shelby County. And then Thursday evening, I'll be live at Regions Field for the Severe Weather Awareness Night. In fact, rumor has it I might throw out the first pitch at that game. And I know what that catcher's going to think. He's going to think that old man's got a rag arm. Yeah, we'll see. And then Friday, American Christian Academy in Tuscaloosa. And then after that, I'll be at Bluff Park Elementary School in Hoover. And then Friday night, I'll be helping to MC a big fundraiser for Alabama Game Changers. That's an amazing ministry for kids that kind of struggle with some things like dyslexia. And Taylor Hicks will be performing along with some others. That's always a great fun. That's at the campus of Samford University. If you get a chance, get a ticket and go. We have a lot of fun at those. And again, our next book signing is going to be a week from this Saturday. That's April 27th in Fayette. And we'll post details on that early next week. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.